Jacob, how was your cake? Was it good? Yeah? Yeah, let's see how Jacob's cake went. It's Jacob's first piece of cake. You want more cake? Do you want more cake? And so now he decides he's going to wash it down. Jakey. Hi. Can you give us smiles? You gonna say something? Or just growl? Hey, dirty face. Hey, dirty face. Look at that big smile. Hi. Hi. Look at those teeth in that dirty little face. Quit. Say mama.
Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
Okay, say bye-bye, Jacob. Jacob. You say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? No, bye-bye?